So today we are going to make a new beat for the song Lesser Man by The Weeknd. We already have the acapella right here.
What you don't even know.
I already set the BPM too, so the only thing that we actually need to do right here is to create a new instrumental. This is a melodic song, so I won't change the chords progression. So the original chords, they go like this. That's it, that's the chord progression, and it's the whole song like this. So let's record this chord progression.
What you don't even know. I'm a deadbeat man, never know when to fold it. Expect a lot for your soul.
So this is the chord progression, and the whole song will be like this. I'll try to do something a little more dark, like the trilogy stuff.
What you don't even know. I'm a deadbeat man, never know when to fold.
So basically the whole song will be these chords, but there will be a little part where it's going to be different. They will be right here. This it will change the last chord, so we gotta change this. So I just copy this one, paste, and on this last chord right here, we are going to change just one note, that it will be this right here. This instead of will be okay. So done. So I will play the before and then I will replace it so we can hear the difference.
You think I am,
Okay. Now with the note replacement. Okay, so that's it.
See me get mad, no matter how bad you think I am.
Now I want to add some kind of bass stuff, but it's not actually the bass, but the preset is a bass. That will be this sound. These sounds you will find right here. Contact, OVO, R&B, the bass and dark R&B. So we are basically use the same notes as the chords. We are going to use these notes right here. So I will just copy this. Let's hear it.
What you don't even know. I'm a deadbeat man, never know when to fold it. Expect a lot for you.
Let me hear how we're going to do in this chords. I think I will change a little bit. I will put like this on this part. Great, they will be like this. So a little change on both on this part. Now I got some pads right here. Basically all the things that I'm using here is mostly on Omnisphere. So Omnisphere, piano from Omnisphere, we have this pad from Omnisphere, and we have this other pad from Omnisphere too. Yeah, that's basically it. I use Omnisphere a lot for these types of sounds because I want to make a little dark R&B type vibes on this beat, and Omnisphere has some kind of dark sound, so that's great. Let's use it. I will just copy the piano, paste right here, but we are going to use only this, and this no. Because pads we don't need to put a lot of notes, because pads they are kinda slow. You don't want to make you don't want to make crazy melodies on pads because they don't work that well. Yeah. I think I'm going to make a little inversion right here. Yeah, I'm going to make an inversion on these chords. I will put on the piano too. This one will be down. Now I want to use these other pads too. Quick legato, quantize, quick legato again. Yeah. I want to do some volume automation. So I'll just click right here and create automation clip. And now we are going to, you see, I will draw something. This is the volume, right? So I will draw something. In the beginning of the chords, we'll start with no volume, and then at the end of the chords, high volume, and I do the same thing for all chords. And that's it. I can cut right here, and then just repeat it the same thing.
But you don't even know I'm a deputy.
Now, we got to put this a little higher so we can.
But you never know.
Can you hear it? Let me put just there.
But you don't even know I'm a deputy. I never know what to fold. Expect a lot for your soul. You go.
Actually, let's put a octave higher.
But you don't even know I'm a deputy. I never know what to fold.
And we got to remember that there is a change of the chords right here, so we need to actually change this. Okay, now I changed the one note that we need to change right here. Yeah, so that's fine. This automation clip we can put through the whole song.
But you don't even know I'm a deputy. I never know what to fold. Expect a lot for your soul.
Okay, let's make the drums. I think that will be nice to start in something like this.
But you don't even know I'm a deputy. I never know what to fold.
We got to put some crash. Now let's make another drums. I like to change the velocity of the hi-hats like this.
Far away from my home, in this hot ass town, but my blood's still cold. And better let them know when you see them that you make sure they pay you.
Alright, so then we're going to make the bass. And the bass will be simple. We just put the bass at the same time as the kick.
Expect a lot for your soul, far away from my home.
think that would be this. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Would be like this. Yeah. I will disable this stuff. Use loop points, and I'm going to make this on the envelope, right? The volume envelope. So when the bass is pressed, it's playing, but when it's released, it stops playing. That is basically what this does.
Far away from my home, in this hot-ass town, but my blood's still cold.
I think I'm going to change this hi-hat.
Far away from my home, in this hot-ass town, but my blood's still cold.
Yeah, slower is best, is better.
Far away from my home, in this hot-ass town, but my blood's still cold. And better let them know when you see them that you make sure they pay you in cash. I don't do favors. Far away from my home, in this hot-ass town, but my blood's still cold. And better let them know when you see them that you make sure they pay you.
Right, now I like the drums. Just the drums so you can hear it. Okay. And now I want to make some vocal sample. So I will just basically sing and then put some effects over my voice. And I think that the beat will be finished. So yeah, let's record a voice. Yeah, I think this is nice. Okay, I think this vocal is good. We're going to put it on a new channel, and then I will put the preset that I have here for this type of voice, this type of vocals. We have to put the auto tune on the right tune, on the right key, and the right key will be A minor. So we are going to put A minor. All right, just this. And then we are going to go to this vocal stuff, and we are going to change to Stretch Pro, and then I will lower the format. Let me hear. Okay, I like to do some stuff, like some fade-ins. So let me do some of those. Okay. We can test like a pitch higher. So now we just need to finish this whole song with the melodies, and then I come back with the final result. So I just finished the whole song. So I started a little bit slower with less instruments, and then I will start to put more instruments as the song grows. So if you like it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.
Take what I own, far away from my home, in this hot ass town, but my blood's still cold, and better let them know when you see